Welcome to Acele. Today in this video we are going to show you how to integrate your WooCommerce store with Acele. We will be able to send order notifications, cash on delivery verification messages and more to WhatsApp. Let's see how to do that. First, go to Setting from the dashboard of Acele, then go to e-commerce and click on the new button, select WooCommerce. Next you have to put a profile name for identification, then enter the story URL which is going to be the base URL of your WordPress website. Copy the URL and paste it here. Now, we need to put the consumer key and consumer secret. To do that, go to the WordPress admin dashboard, select WooCommerce and click on Settings. Then click on the Advanced option and then on REST API. Click on the Add Key button and give a description in the permission section, select Read and Write. Finally click on the Generate API Key button. Copy the consumer key and paste it on Acele. Do the same for the consumer secret and click on the Save button. So this is how you can integrate WooCommerce with Acele. With this integration we will be able to send WhatsApp messages for order confirmation, cash on delivery verification messages and many more. In the next videos, we will show you how to accomplish these tasks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.